A business YouTube channel is more than just a video platform. It's the perfect employee, working for you 24/7, one video at a time. With our YouTube channel management service, we help you build a powerful video presence that nurtures your clients, drives traffic, and grows your business. We'll create a customized video marketing plan designed specifically for your brand, ensuring your content reaches the right audience at the right time. Each video is fully optimized with video SEO, giving it the best chance to rank on the first page of Google, right where your potential customers are searching. We also design professional, clickable thumbnails to boost views and engagement. Your YouTube channel becomes an evergreen marketing tool, consistently nurturing leads, building trust, and driving conversions. Did you know businesses using video content see 49% faster revenue growth? And video marketing can increase sales by up to 80%. When prospects seek referrals, your video testimonials will be there, earning their trust instantly. And as a bonus, we'll share your content across all your social media platforms. So video works for you everywhere. Let us take care of your video marketing strategy, SEO, and YouTube channel, so you can focus on what really matters, running your business. Together, we'll build a video marketing powerhouse that captures leads and drives sales.